Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make e-commerce websites with WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, make sure that you already have WooCommerce, the plugin. And basically, if you do not, you can simply go to the plugins for WordPress and then you can search for the WooCommerce. So from here, you can type WooCommerce and basically we need to click on add new plugin, but I already have it. So here I'm just going to search for WooCommerce and basically this is the plugin itself. So now that you have your plugin, you will be needing to have your website, of course. And the easiest way and most reliable way to create your e-commerce website is by using either some builders or themes. And basically, you will need just to go to appearance, go to themes, and after that, you will need just to click on add new theme, and then you will need to search for WooCommerce, and you will need to choose any website that you would like. So it can be an e-store WooCommerce, open WooCommerce, products comparison, or anything that is appealing to you. In my case, I'm using Astra, and it is a very rich theme that has already a builder with it, and it has more plugins that are installed with it. And as you can see, you can go to Astra, and you already would see some free templates or starter templates. It can add some plugins that will go very well with your plugin. And as you can see, let's just go to templates. You can choose anything that you would like, for example, Elementor or block editor, and then you will need to choose from these choices. And basically, after that, you will start having your store that is ready to use. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.